Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can restrict the editing for columns in your boards on monday.com. So let us dive into this. So head over to your board on Monday in your workspace and pick one of these columns here from your board. Let me go to formula board. Click into these three dots next to it, then hover your mouse over settings here. And after that, select this option, restrict column editing. And after that, you can select the person who still will have the permission to edit this column. So let me go with myself, of course, because I applied that restriction. So I will be you will be automatically listed below. And also you can add other persons from your workspace to give them the permission to keep editing the column. And simply by doing that, restrict the editing for any other members of your workspaces that have not been mentioned here or listed. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. You will see that small log icon next to the column name, which means the editing has been restricted. So if you'd like to remove that, click into these three dots again, hover your mouse over settings, and after that select remove restriction. That's it. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we catch you later.